Hey guys, welcome back to Crow Builds. Today's project I'm going to make a beer caddy. So say if you go into a barbecue, you can bring a 6-pack of beer in a nice wooden handmade beer caddy. So it should be fun, and stick around to the end of the video to see the final result. So for this build, this is the materials that I'll be using. Just some old pieces of pallet timber, some doweling, some screws. I bought this little bottle opener from eBay for about $1 and some wood glue. So that's about it. This piece is obviously split, so I've got to glue that back together. Okay, so while that's drying, I'll explain my plan to you, and then I'll speed up the building process. So I'll use these old beer bottles to get a rough gauge of my sizes, and then I'll draw out my 2 end pieces and make a stencil out of that. I'll then transfer that onto the wider piece of wood and cut that out, probably using a jigsaw because I find that easier. Otherwise I'll switch over to the bandsaw. Once all my pieces of wood are all cut out to size and to shape, it's just a matter of putting them together. So I'll use these screws and some wood glue to do that. The smaller pieces of dowel, I'll drill holes into the end pieces the right size so I can just glue them straight in. So once it's all put together, it's just a matter of sanding it and choosing how I want to finish it. This project's quite simple and it's probably going to be a short video, but stick around. I think the end result's going to be worth it. here it is, the final result, the wooden beer caddy. Can hold a 6-pack quite easily. I wouldn't worry about any of them falling out. It's quite sturdy. I've got my logo on the front and back and a bottle opener on the front. So I like the way it turned out. It's a bit rough around the edges, but I've just adopted that as my style. So I hope you like this project, and thanks for watching.